Alright guys, today we've got a 2009 FG XT tray back here in for an install. So this customer's just gone for the Mark 1 version 6 style head unit. So the direct replacement for the Mark 1s. He's opted for a HD wide angle reverse camera on this one as well. So reverse camera just nicely placed here. Our tray still completely opens. So nice and subtle. Definitely going to help this guy with all his works and stuff. So we'll just jump in here and show you how it looks and feels and go from there. Alright, so Mark 1 version 6. As you can see, it's the 9.6 inch screen that goes into these ones. So just on your home screen here, you got your quick access for your navigation, your music, your main radio, and your application page. Swiping that way takes you into system settings, your video playback, phone link, which is your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless. Phone takes you into your Bluetooth settings. You got Google Chrome, AUX in for any external sources that you might have. AVM, which is your built-in 360, which the version 6 supports. And then sound effects, so that's your inbuilt DSP and equalizer. So we'll start off with this one, your EQ. You got all your main presets, and then you can adjust your own through this graph here as well. So plenty to choose from. Fader and balance, typical left, right, center, back left, back right. DTS, so you got all your different sound modes through this one as well. So processing sound, cinema, pro, music. You got your phantom centers, your circle surrounds, true bass, which with this one you can control your front speakers, rear speakers, and a sub. So if you've got an aftermarket sub on this one, this is where you actually access your main gain. So less gain, max gain. This guy doesn't have a sub, so that doesn't really matter on this car, but you can control your front speakers and your rear speakers as well. Built-in crossover, so you got your front high pass filter, rear high pass, and front low pass, and vice versa for everything there. Then you got your speaker delays as well. So just pressing your menu button will take us back to your home screen. So just quickly run you through the AC. So all your fan speed adjustments all work like that. Brings up your little pop-up display. Temperature control. This car is single zone, but these units do also work with dual zone as well. Hazards. So your hazards are all good. All your different AC modes as well. So as I'm pressing here, you'll see this little guy here changing as well. All your bottom panel, door locking, door unlocking, interior lights. So all of this stuff is fully functional. Yeah, just basically going to this page again from here. So pressing the Kayhan audio logo down the bottom left brings you into your application page. So Android device, that means you can just download anything from the Play Store, exactly what you want. So it does come preloaded with Netflix, TikTok, Disney Plus, and once again Play Store, so you can just download whatever you want straight to the unit itself. You got file manager, so inside here this is where you access your USB drives. So through the USBs that it's tucked down here at the moment, you can just plug in your USB storage or hard drives or whatever for music playback or movies. Anything you wish you can do on this unit. Pressing menu, back home. Steering and controls are fully functional as well. So volume up, volume down, track buttons. Now you will notice that beep on every press of the screen and buttons as well. So if you're not a fan of that, you can just go into settings, audio, and turn beep off. I'll leave it on for now so the customer can decide what they want. So that's about it for that. I'll just chuck the car into reverse and show you how the camera looks. There you go. So massive wide angle camera, HD 1080p. Now if your car does have the factory sensors, you can turn them on with this one as well, and that gives you the visual assist for your factory sensors. Again, this car doesn't have it, so we'll just turn that stuff off. You get your main image adjustment as well, so you can control your brightness, contrast, color saturation, all that sort of stuff. So just quickly going into system settings, factory mode. So this is where you actually calibrate the unit to control dual zone or single zone. Once again, this car is single zone, so we've got this set on new Falcon single, just from here. By clicking into this one, you'll see all these selections. So new Falcon dual will be for your dual zone climate control. We'll open up phone link, so that's our wireless CarPlay on this one. So all your applications that are on your phone work through here. Navigation, phone calls, music playback. Menu takes us back home again. What else is there? And these do have offline navigation as well, so iGo navigation. That's I like to call it our backup navi. It's good for if you're in the middle of nowhere, no reception, no internet, then that's going to get you out of trouble. You've got style on this unit, so with this you can just change your themes over as well. It's a whole bunch of different themes this unit comes with. We'll just leave it on the factory one for now. Swiping down from the top of your screen, just like a mobile phone, you can just restart the unit at the press of a button. So press that and press OK, and the unit's going to turn off and boot back on by itself. So I'm just going to go into system settings here, back into factory mode. Now this unit is running on an external microphone, so we'll just swipe all the way down the bottom here and flick this over to external mic, which is just located there. So you got your individual gain controls. Mic gain 1 is your inbuilt microphone on this unit. Mic gain 2 is your external mic. So if you want to make it a little adjustment there, you can. I'll leave that there for now. So all your different camera settings. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you want to get one of these put into your car, definitely hit us up. We are open 7 days a week now, Monday to Sunday, 9 AM to 6 PM. So anytime you've got any questions, just let us know. You can give us a call on 1300 696 488, and we're happy to help. Cheers.